Welcome to San Pedro mathematics class. So quickly, everyone, let's check this question. The question says sequence is given by un equals to n into 1 minus 2n. If un is minus 120, find the value of n. So quickly, everyone, let's quickly solve this one. Solution. So the first thing you do, you write down the question, which is un equals to n 1 minus 2n. And you are told that your un is minus 120. So that means that n 1 minus 2n is equals to minus 120. That's the first step. That's what you do first. Okay? So now there is an equation. So you open up this bracket, you have what? N times 1 is n. N times 2 have minus what? 2n squared. N times 1 is n. N times 2n will give you 2n squared equals to minus 120. Alright. Okay, so you arrange it quickly. You can take everything to the right hand side so that you have 0 equals to minus 120. When this goes to this side, become plus 2n squared. When this comes, become minus what? N. Right. So that means that we'll have 2n squared, right? Minus n minus 120 equals to 0. So this was a quadratic equation. We have formed what? A quadratic equation. So we need to factorize this. So we need two factors. Then when you multiply them, it will give you minus 240, because first of all, we'll have something like this. 2n squared times minus 120 to give us minus 240 n squared. So have this. So look for two factors, and when you multiply them, it give you minus 240 n squared. When you add them, it will give you minus what? N. So how do we get those such two factors? Sometimes you start thinking, but you don't need to think here. What you do, quickly go to your factor method. So let's use the factor method. This is 240. Okay? So let's take a factor method. We'll have 2, we'll have 120, 2, we'll have 60, 2, we'll have 30, 2, we'll have 15. Okay, let's stop here. This is 16. 2, this 16. 16 times 15 to give me 240. So I've gotten the two numbers. 16, guys, 2 times 2 will give us a 16 times 15 will give me 240. So I'm looking for the number will now be what? Minus 16 plus 15 to give me minus. Then 16 times 15 to give me minus what? 240. So the value now is going to now be 2n squared. In place of your minus n, you use what? Minus 16n plus 15n to give us minus n. Yeah, that is 1. Okay? Then this one here is going to be minus what? 120 equals to 0. So with this now, you can easily factorize this to have what is common here. 2n is common. So what do you have? You have n. 2 into here we have minus 8. Okay, that is 2n divided by 2 we have n. 16n divided by 2n we have what? 8 plus 15. Okay, so here will be what? N. 120 divided by 15 we have what? 8. Okay, equals to 0. So therefore we have that n minus 8 factor out, because that is what is common between these two. So we have what? 2n plus 15 equals to 0. Alright, so quickly we have n minus 8 equals to 0, or 2n plus 15 equals to 0. So quickly we have n equals to 8, or 2n equals to minus 15, which will give us n equals to minus 15 over 2. right? So the value of our answer now will be the value of n. The value of n will be the positive number will be what? 8. Alright? Because we are talking, I say sequence is given by this. Find the value of n. N means number of terms. So number of terms cannot be negative. So 8 becomes our value. Alright. Thank you very much. If you have any question, drop it at the comment section. Alright? Thank you very much. If you have not followed us, do where to follow us. This is Sir Pedro Mathematics class. Thank you and God